Hello video marketers, welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I want to share with you this YouTube SEO cheat sheet. It is a free guide from Vidnami. I started using Vidnami a few days ago. It is such a great tool that I also became an affiliate with them. And I'll leave a link down below for you guys to check out my review video on Vidnami. And here they're giving away this guide. And here's a quick look on what's inside the guide. I'll leave a link to this page and then just click here to get the free cheat sheet. And you do have to enter your email and then you instantly get an email from Vidnami, and then you click here to download. And here's the guide itself. It's pretty short, only 19 pages. I'll just highlight a few things. And obviously the title is one of the most important things besides the thumbnail. And here are some tips to make your title better and also incorporate SEO keywords in it. So definitely check that part out. And then a killer description, also very important. This is where you generate the clicks to your website or affiliate offers. And they also provide an example, so that's really nice right here. So you can read that and try to copy how they're doing it. And of course the tags and the thumbnail. And here's something I just recently started doing is uploading in high definition. Before I was doing 720p and now I'm doing 1080 HD uploads, because after all, if there's a choice between a standard 720 version or 1080 HD version, YouTube would rather show viewers the 1080 HD version. So that's pretty basic common sense that I didn't realize until just recently. And here's another thing that I normally don't even consider, but this can also help with SEO. Transcribing, since YouTube does automatically transcribe, but however, if your videos are in a different language, YouTube will probably not transcribe those. And it's good if you have your own transcription, and it will definitely help with SEO. And even in English, sometimes certain technical terms are not transcribed properly. And then let's scroll down here, and then just some more tips to increase audience retention. You might want to look at that. So there's a lot of tips here, 22, very useful, and have good examples all the way down. There's also a cheat sheet or a checklist right here. Anyways, I hope this helps. Go grab the cheat sheet. Thanks so much, and until next time, happy marketing.